Popcorns are a great way to have some snacks around the house because they're so easy to make. Today I'll be showing you how to make some sweet and salty popcorn recipe, which has 4 key ingredients and it's so delicious. The recipe has a twist to it because you're used to making salty popcorns, which everyone loves, but get prepared, pick up your popcorns and try out this sweet and salty popcorn recipe. To make these popcorns, you're going to need a huge pot. I have mine over here. I'm going to place the pot over medium-high flame, and I have my sugar, popcorns, cooking oil, and salt ready to make this delicious recipe. You're going to add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, add in your popcorn kernels, and then next you're going to add in a 1/4 cup sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to toss everything together. As the oil is getting hot, the sugar is going to melt. So you're going to use a kitchen towel and shake the pot before the popcorn starts to pop. And once you notice the first popcorn kernel popping, you're going to cover so that you don't get popcorn all over. So I'm going to cover mine. After 30 seconds, when the popcorn starts to pop, you're going to reduce the flames to low so that the sugar doesn't burn. And then you're going to let the popcorn kernels fully pop. Once the popcorn have fully popped, this is how they're looking. So I'm going to transfer to a bowl. Once you've transferred the popcorns to your mixing bowl, you're going to wait for the sugar to cool. And because the popcorns are going to be clumpy, you're going to separate the popcorns. And trust me, afterwards, you're going to enjoy some sweet and salty popcorns, which are so good and delicious.